Enqube Ethicals, we started on this day, 4th March 1998. We completed 19 years. It has come a long way from a very small, tiny investment of less than 4 crore to today's investment of almost 250 crore. We have grown from 18 number strength to almost 900 plus. Today we have also inaugurated our QC building, which is the tallest building in Goa with ground to 6 floors. It is being designed with world-class design and the architectural inputs. We intend to create a data integrity free environment, provide best of the facilities to our people in the laboratory in such a way that we don't have any issue of data integrity. A lot of care is being taken with respect to designing and the technology, and we are very sure that it will provide great opportunity for youngsters and the seniors to join Enqube and work here in this environment. We feel we will be able to contribute largely to this cause of pharma industry, where quality is becoming paramount and there are lots of challenges in spite of best of the infrastructure. I firmly believe that the quality issue or the kind of quality what the world requires, we can meet only by doing this 3-4 things. One is it should be from the management, that it should be management function. This quality needs, we need to you can say start when breathe, drink, eat, everything quality being in pharma industry.